Learn English with Titanic movie. Learn prepositions with Rose and Jack. Part 11 of 20. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. The guards walked blank Jack. A. Among. B. Behind. C. Below. Correct answer, behind, to show position. The ship's bow rose blank out of the water. A. Off. B. Up. C. Down. Correct answer, up, to show upward movement. The story of the Titanic went blank the whole world. A. Across. B. Up. C. Down. Correct answer, across, to spread. Rose looked blank the dark ocean. A. During. B. Against. C. Toward. Correct answer, toward, to show direction. The lifeboats were lowered blank the ship's hull. A. Along. B. Outside. C. Inside. Correct answer, outside, exterior of something. Like, comment and subscribe.